Hey everybody, this is Lance, Self-and Teacher. I'm going to go over the main trade I did using the SRX system for today on February 23rd. You can see at 8:45, had a big EMA down. 8:50 Central is when we get the levels. And you can see that they were within the S1 and S2 level. We had a lot of different signals going bearish. So if you see break and retest here, EMA is down, more EMA is down, break and retest. Once we retested the S2 level, I took puts, took it at 902 Central, pretty much right here. I took a 686 put, we're at 686 and change, and I bought 6 puts at 1.51. Then I closed 2 at 1.64 for a small gain. I moved my runners to break even at that point. So I went back to the 1.51. At that point, it would be a small gain if it stops out on the runner, but the runner would be break even, and then I would get a little bit of profit on those initial contracts. Closed 2 more at 1.68, happened pretty much right away. And then market moved, kept dropping down. I was moving my runner and my limit. You can see we got a big drop near the pre-market low. And then I closed my runner at 2.19 and 2.18. So overall, good trade, about 21% gain, and only about 4 minutes. I also want to show what Phil, who made the SRX Level System, he's doing a auto trader with mostly EMA rejections. And these are every trade we took today from IWM, SPY, and QQQ. As you can see, there were quite a few setups here. Entry price and exit price. Look at the ROI column. A lot of good profitable trades. Stop out at 10%. Sometimes a little slippage will be a little over 10%. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 winners in a row. Had 2 losses, then 6 winners. A loss. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 winners. A loss. Winner. 2 losses. The last ones are near the end of the day, which we typically don't take, but that overall was, I think, a 73% win rate on the EMAs and made pretty good profits as well. So if you're interested in using this SRX level system, it gives really good setups for EMAs and also break and retests. You could join, and the link in the description down below. Very active community of traders. Give a lot of helpful advice on how to take the trades, what to look for, and have many other different strategies from other members. So not only will you see really good setups, you can also learn a lot about trading. So I'd like to see you guys in the Discord. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.